Today I'm going to tell you verbs presentation. I can read. I can see. I can kick. I can listen. I can swim. I can run. I can hug. I can dance. I can play. I can hit. I can strum. I can throw. I can sleep. I can laugh. I can pinch. I can search. I can jump. I can float. I can catch. I can help. I can explain. I can understand. I can manage. I can do it. I can try. I can improve. I can wait. I can learn. I can eat. Great job that you learned with me today. Until then, subscribe. Doodle on.